Hello everyone, it's me again from Dollicious Cravings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of the Filipino favorites. It's called Kababayan bread or Filipino muffin. I'm going to show you 3 variants of Kababayan bread, kaya may nakikita kayong 2 bowls in here. In one bowl, I'm going to show you the original flavor. Then in the other bowl, I'm going to show you the chocolate flavor. The third flavor is I'm just going to mix the mixture. This Kababayan bread is very famous Filipino muffins being sold in most bakeries in the Philippines. If you are a Filipino living in another country, it will really remind you of your childhood memories. Because before there were not as many bread choices in bakeries unlike today. Anyway, the term Kababayan actually means countrymen. I am not really sure what the origin of this Kababayan bread, but it could be because in the past, many Filipinos, especially the farmers, like to wear our native hat or salakot. That's similar to this Kababayan's dome top shape. But to make this, there's really a technique to achieve that. Sa totoo lang, nahirapan akong gawin itong bread na to kasi hindi ko ma-achieve yung dome top shape niya. I think I have made several attempts as far as I remember. I achieved that dome top shape on my 6th trial, and on my 7th, me and my husband did the filming of this video and I was really nervous while doing this. Okay, so nakikita nyo tapos na yung original flavor. Then I'm finishing my chocolate flavor. And then, just preheat your oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This recipe can make 30 Filipino muffins in 3 variants. Sa third flavor, just combine the original and chocolate flavor and swirl them using a stick. By the way, I'm using the 3 ounce cupcake pan for this. Just pour the butter, just 3/4 full kasi aalsa pa to. Okay, so listen to this carefully. Set this for 15 minutes. Yung first 5 minutes niya is dapat 250 degrees Celsius. After the 5 minutes, lower it to 150 Celsius. Then open nyo lang yung oven nyo for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes is finished, just close your oven and change the temperature to 200 Celsius for 8 minutes. And that's it. Try this Kababayan bread. This recipe has mild sweetness, super soft, and moist. Enjoy this Filipino muffin as breakfast or afternoon treat with a hot cup of tea or coffee. I am so happy to finally be able to make my own Kababayan bread this time. That's why I'm sharing it with you, including the strategy I used to finally make it a success. Once makuha mo ang tamang technique, you can really say it's super easy to make. I know I can always buy them, but nothing compares to freshly baked bread. This is the end of the video. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa mga patuloy na nanonood sa aming episodes. Once again, this is Dollicious Cravings saying no hate, just love. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. See you on my next one.